in the whip on the strip, get the strip in my windows is tinted, let's go. My backseat ain't empty, we just left the Fendi, we getting it all over the place. This is why I need the family, this is why I need.
Take this glasses off, but I'm like 20 minutes early. Not really early though, because gotta be inside. It's not that packed.
Yeah, Miss Flag, you're looking like a ribbon. Ribbon on that. Nice to meet
The line right here, they are taking line with the pictures right here.
is a habit. Put it in the air. Hey, yo, see the shit with the butterfly. Yeah. I hope y'all know what's going on tonight.
What's happening?
We are officially bringing you an era. Y'all ain't forgot about it, that's why y'all here tonight. If you came to have a good time, say hell yeah! Let's kick this era off a little bit like this. How many bitches from the club? Talk to me! I know you see it. This time I want to hear y'all do the louder. I'm like, what? In the middle. Let me hear you sing this shit. I know you see it. Now you can call me Tim Trill, they playing my song. I throw a couple ones and she throw away a thong. When she wasn't open, take a picture with my phone. She love my cologne, call it perk by the zone. And now she jogging, yeah, it's going down. Slap the waitress on the booty till they get another round. And when I make it rain, money all over the ground. Yeah, fresh sports, one shot, yeah, and then I'm like, oh boy, my click full of got a big flow, feel big and big gold. At the end of the day, when it's all said and done, I'ma need 4 freaks cause I need more than one. Sing it with me. What? How many? Talk to me.
I know you see it. Barclays.
Now, they said the women would definitely outnumber the men. And they said the women would be the flyest in the building. I want to know where the fly women at tonight.
Where they at?
Is it this side over here? Is it this side over here? What about in the middle? Where's one? Since we talking about an era, you know what I'm talking about? Pretty Ricky. Bow Wow.
Yeah.
B2K.
Yeah.
Well, we was doing stuff in that era too, and I want to bring somebody to the stage because she represent with y'all, you know what I'm saying? She come around this way a little bit, you know what I'm talking about?
Okay.
And I ain't gonna lie, when she hit, I was having a good time with it. So we're gonna start this thing off tonight. We'll give y'all some nutrition. Let's go, sweetie.
Please, you can't do that. You can't do that. Y'all just be too loud. I wanna see you down.
You know what I'm saying?
Hey, you know what? I want to get lit a little bit. Let me see if they know that Atlanta strip club music swing. Yeah, I did. Knock it out, let you run it back, so I knock it out.
Knock it out.
I knock it out.
Knock it out.
Yeah, I've been there, done that. I used to knock it out, let you run it back, so I knock it out.
Knock it out.
I knock it out.
Knock it out. What?
First thing first, I like I got a hose. Some go to spell me, some dance with no clothes. Mama name me Jock, cause I do the damn thing. When I throw that whoop, they go back like boomerang. I beat the monkey up like an old beat machine. Whoop daddy, bring your friend, tag team. Then I beat them out like the whoopers in my bird. I give her Tylenol cause she said Jones heard. Now you know where we at tonight. I want to go up a little bit. I want to bring somebody else to the stage.
Here we go, John.
Yeah, I want to go crazy tonight.
They came to have a good time tonight.
So we got some special guests coming out tonight gonna shake the building. This side over here, they told me I was the latest. I was looking backstage.
Yeah.
But then they told me this side over here was slick the sexiest though.
Ah, shit, they up there too.
But they told me this middle running shit.
What you talking about?
Bring my cousin out here, man. Let's go. This side. I'm counting on you. You can get caught in the club. Roll with your heart, get stuck in the club. Hey, or you can get bucked in the club. Put them up in the club, nigga, we'll give up. But you want the problem. You want the problem. You want the problem with me. You don't wanna be dead in the streets. Mouth full of blood and your soul full of heat. And why you tryna act hard as hell and you know damn well you don't wanna build up hell. And bitch, I've been down by a lot. Gun in my head, put it down to the wall. I got big balls, put like baseball. But you don't keep straight, not hell. Oh yeah, oh hell no. The boy don't play, straight nuts in the face. Put the pistol away, I don't breathe. The weed to my head, and turn for the folks in the club. I'm scared. Let me hear y'all. You can get caught in the club. Roll with your hood, get stuck. Hey, or you can get bucked in the club, give them love in the hood. Nigga, we don't get no love. But you don't want no problem. You don't want no problem. You don't want no problem with me. Hey, I like it. I'm gonna stay out here. You gonna stay out here? I'm gonna stay out here and rock. I'm gonna keep rocking because this thing gonna be lit tonight. We just want to make sure the party ready to have a good time. Yes, sir. I'm so fly. Feels like I'm taking off. I'm so high. Let me get that one time, so let me see if they fuck with me. We're gonna make this sexy for y'all tonight. J-O-C. Where the ladies at who don't need nobody for nothing? Where y'all at? Hey, up top, I see y'all. Y'all looking real good out here. You wanna talk to her, sweet? Hey, look. She asking how's the air up there. You can catch me in the treetop. This right here's classic like a pair of Reeboks. In the old school T-top. 28 chopping up the streets. Right, set the club on fire with anything that we got. Make the juice box when I make the pussy bebop. She on her handstand, I love the way she so fly. I've been waiting on this moment for a minute, cuz.
I know you have. Been waiting on G.
Okay,
Take your little shirt off, girl.
Yeah.
I'm taking your little shirt off, man. Why you gonna do that, girl? How you gonna do it?
I didn't come here for this.
Go on, take your little shirt off.
Why you doing it?
Go ahead and take your little shirt off, girl. What shirt is it?
I ain't come here to do that, cuz.
Yeah, girl. Go ahead. They want to see it. You want to do it. What y'all want? Y'all
Tap
want it?
in. I'm proud of this shit.
Y'all want it?
I've been working hard on this shit.
Get out. Take a body.
Tell me how you feel, mama, tell me what you said. A certified timepiece is dirty Louis 1-3. Hey, 150 a shot, 3 for you and 3 for me. I'm shaking your body. I love the conversation, and when you lick your lips, I get a tingling sensation. Couple flat tips, and you say you know. All I need is about an hour. Baby, true, let me take you where I live. Ferrari switch gears when I whisper in your ear, land, take the chandelier. Passion fruit and sex all in the atmosphere. I'ma let you can't say it, so he can make it clear. Girl, you won't decide. Ladies! J's on my feet, I'm holding out control, so kid like me. 69 cutlass with the bucket seats, deep in my trunk, bought it just for the breeze. Yeah, catch me in the hood, posted at the store, crystal in my lap, on the phone, down low. Hey, if your girl choose, let her do a thing, just like a mama nice and night brain. Everybody know I'm so fly, get it on the news in town right now. I know you wonder why I'm so cool. Don't ask me, just do what you do. Meet me in the train, the sun's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, and it's going down. Meet me in the girl, till it go down. Meet me in the street, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you need a guarantee, you bring your man. First number 2, do the damn thing. Cues on my neck, pocket full of beer frame. When I'm in the mall, oh just pause. I pop a few tags, give me that on the wall. Yeah, time to feel the word, make the block walk. Boys in the hood, call me black on the wall. No boy slash, 7 days a week. Number 1 regular, G on the beat. I think they like me, better yet I know. Lights, camera, action when I walk through the door. Yeah, they know my crew, we certified stars. We better in the front, body 35. Now we got bitches in the black people, girls like it. Time to recruit, hey, if you got a problem, say it to my face. Hey, we finna fill up anytime, any day. Meet me in the truck, this side, meet me in the bar, this side, meet me in the club, what's going on? I love y'all. ATL. Oh, my boy, John.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't know none of their songs. None.
Would you love me back?
Ladies, how we feeling tonight? If you came to party with B5, say yeah! Let's go!
Would you love me back? Just because you got a lie, that brightens my night. Would you say that you are that?
Over here!
No, I don't wanna be a one-time thriller. Writing out the songs, I'ma make you feel it. Hey, forever just a third. It's something you want, and I wanna give you that.
To the cup right back, love better, better come back. You always try to act, so don't try to act. You don't wanna leave for me today, time with a fast life. Another half right more, like I said, I leave my phone number, and I see you when I see you. Full charge, I might see, I'm eating the hunt to spit. I'm out of that shake the bus, but I'm pressed with a bird, can't nobody break it. Cause now you got me, you can spin out of doubt, pump me out of a bill to the house. We a team to the death, and I wanna be your homeboy, your boyfriend, your boo, and your best friend. Hey, it's me,
some noise. Here, there's a left to the right, front to back. Keep your hands up. Hands up. La 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 la. Here, hey, five. Let's go. Every time the DJ spinning my class, it's busy, I'm the one, I can't avoid just to show you how it's done. Balance your cake, step if you want to. Big five, you started in the room. The club, make it sweet, the style. Chicken six, make it jump. See the start, you can do it like me, just turn it up. Get drunk, try it, bring it up. I drive it, queen to the I drive it, this is how we do it. I drive it, so frustrated, you can't stand it in the crowd. She looking at me cause she like the way I put it down. She looking at me for my video and my show. I know this, but this is how it goes. I'm the one looking in the party. Show you how we got it. Show you can do stuff if you want to. Big five, move to the back. Make it jump, make it jump. Just turn it up. Drive it,
all you gotta do is let me know. We can make moves. You rollin' with the best instead of we took game. Then we had to cut a check. And I am FLY. Heard than the next guy now. Mama, let's ride. I know you wanna see me moving to the beat, but back it on up, watch.
Jump in the trunk, make it sweet as well. Hold up, we in Brooklyn, right? I know y'all do better than that. Make some motherfucking noise, Brooklyn. Come on, stand up. Big Five is in the building.
Yes, sir.
Turn down, talk to the ladies one time.
Brooklyn, how y'all feeling tonight?
Thumbs up. Light them up.
Hold on, I said Brooklyn, how y'all feeling tonight? Listen, I need to know, where are all the Daily 1B5 fans at right now?
If you in the building, light your guys up.
So, I'm gonna need y'all to put your phones up right now. I gotta put your phones up from the left,
Thumbs up.
to the right,
Light it
to
up.
the front, and to the back. Put your phones up.
Light it up.
Now, ladies, if you ready to have fun tonight, let me get it. Yeah, we're gonna take it back one time. Hey, yo, Pete. Y'all look so beautiful. Let's take it back to where it all started. Phones up, light it up. Let's go. New York, what's up? How y'all doing? I've been seeing y'all for a minute. I just need you to take a few minutes. So that cool shoot.
I can't wait to get to school each day and wait for you to pass my way. And bells start to ring and angel starts to sing. Hey, that's the girl for you. So what are you gonna do? Hey, little girl, I love you. Think of you, that's all I do. I can't get you out my mind all the time, all the time. I begin to take the long way home, just so I can be alone. Today about you. I think about you all the time.
Thank you, brother.
Shut up.
What the fuck up? What's happening? We gonna tell you how we run in the line. What the fuck?
Every time the beat drop, lean with it, rock with it, breathe before your fingers pop. Purple lean, purple in my sock. You mean you ain't seen buddy on the block? They call me Dr. Doc. I describe what a nigga need. Make a lady rock. Old school people pass the fish out in the club. Tell the whole thing echo. They see my chain and a nigga want them stacks. Bitch, I keep a full clip in my pistol in my pants. I'm in the middle. They screaming. Hold your arms, hold your hands, and put them in rotation. Take your side, this side, and snap your feet like a temptation. Bitch, I'm all on the street, ain't doing it that, they never feeling that. I ain't paying drum, but snap your fingers, then you lean back. Lean with it, 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 lean with it. Right left, then snap your fingers, right then snap your fingers. Lean with me, rock with me, gotta pop with me, don't take a shot. Come and tell I got ground, don't hate in the shot. We are you, so girl, hell yeah, we on it. Fresh, I don't got no money, shit. Hey, rock left, rock right, you can give that shit. Lean back like Fat Joe, snap the wrist back. Cases don't dance, they lean with it, rock with it. It pop, just don't rock with it. Once you pop, and bring it across the chest with it. Get nasty, flash it, don't flex with it. Do it how you wanna, slow it up, do the matrix. Play with it, straight hit it, get on in the face with it. This is dance for the killer, the killer, you already know. The chillin', the grown folk, lean with it.
Yeah. Light it up in here. Headphones, light it up. I bought my money up. Now I can't re-up. Ran up in this spot. Just to get my stance up. Now I'm back on deck. So shouted what the fuck you want. Heard he talking shit. But this ain't what the fuck you like. Now it's back to Coca. Niggas talking shit, bro. Hang them by the rubber. Hit them with the chopper. Call that shit hot lava. Call me Waka Flocka. AKA Young Wild Nigga. AKA Young Short Nigga. Got perfect. I in the track all night with the hardest song. Stats on the floor, watch keep on with it. Shoot to the left and then shoot it to the right. Call ice and break boys down and all night. These lame niggas ain't got no fight. Get in my door, we gon' shoot it out. Oh, they, hey, oh, they do it, hey, oh, they do it, yeah! Drugs till they use it, hey, I influence, hey, I influence, yeah! Oh, they do it, hey, oh, they do it, hey, oh, they do it, yeah! Drugs till they use it, hey, I influence, what's I go hard in the money, nigga. Let you snake it, nigga. What the fuck, nigga? I don't time for this shit. What the fuck I say? Broad day with the S. See, you see that my motherfucking nigga. I ain't in the jail with them bitches. What a hood ass nigga. Why the real slow really wanted it like nigga? Got a main bitch. Got a bitch. A couple of girlfriends, keep my dick hard, and you be smoking. You can tell screenshot and I'm joking. And what I said, motherfucker, bring squad. I'm alive for this shot, man. And that's where I put some killers, some hood niggas. Where you at? Where you at? Keep that shit 300, put that shit on my foot. Chris fucking with me, she ain't been on my board. That's in the middle, freestyle off the wall. Pretty strong, walking, flames, I go hard in the motherfucking pain, nigga. Then you snake it, nigga. What the fuck you? Nigga, I don't time for this shit. Fuck I say. Broad game with that. See, Gucci, that's my motherfucking nigga. I hang in the hell with them. Hey, Waka Flocka, flying one. Keep it going. Keep it going. What's up, pussy nigga? What's up, boy, nigga? Blink out on that nigga, make your mamas wobble, bitch. Hope you got your feelings with you. Hope you got your niggas with you. Hope your goons riding with you. They gon' fucking nigga, what a attitude, what a easy cue. When my little brother died, I said, I picked up, turned up a hole, and I got some marijuana. School kids, niggas screaming out, you runner. Glock down the head, kid, if he want to be. Shout it, point blank, put your ass to sleep. Shout it, Hawkins G, so what you say? Broad day, and I put your fucking hands up. I go hard in the motherfucking pain, nigga. What the fuck you thinking, nigga? I don't time for this shit. What the fuck I say? See Gucci, that's my motherfucking nigga. I hang in the jail with them hit squad killers. Waka Flocka, flying one. Running real slow. What's up? What's up? Waka, 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 Get ready to rumble! I want party in this motherfucker. We're Brooklyn in this motherfucker. We're Bronx at one home man. Queens at one dollar there. What Jersey at, man? Hey, I got a whole lot of money. This is how I don't believe I'm in wild. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. Hey, my brother, roll up on the drum. Roll up the loud. Get fucked up! It's a party, it's a party. It's a party, it's a party. I stand up in the club, rolling on that loud shit. My weed key doesn't get me said to be quiet. Like my friends is gonna lie, the girls get excited. All I wanna try it, I'm like, wanna try it. My sweat they wanna hide, my juice they wanna try it. I'm club going stupid when I know they do. Oh, they do it! Go see! Roll to it, call down my work of million. Check it to the ceiling, that's how we. You know that I'm rolling. Run it! Run it! I got a whole lot of money. Bitches counting money. I don't keep coming, what I'm saying, I'm trying. What was that? It's a party, it's a party. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. I hold up on the drum. Roll up the lot, I'm trying to get bored. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party, it's a party. Rolling up the beat, you can do the lead. Do it on that loud. And that baby round. I got my fucking the streets, I'm not doing it. Please get the fuck back. Make sure you get me off back. Pull up with some nigga. Every ghetto killing me. 20 on my right wrist, 30 on my left wrist. 100 on my neck, high enough on my wrist. 2023, I'm a up. In the complex, that's a big flex. You know how we ball. All I know is ball. Every dollar in my pocket, I'ma spend it all. Look at this is how they love me. I don't keep coming, what a man. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. My mother on the field, my mother on the trunk. Roll up the lotto, trying to get fucked up. What was that? It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. What was that? It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. Ladies, y'all deserve a round of applause. Excuse me. Y'all deserve a round of applause. If you love Waka Flocka, say what he's in there. Hey, where you guys see? Where my ladies at? I see you. Yeah. 1, 2, round of applause. 20 people call me that ain't clap. Round of applause. Drop it to the floor, make that ain't clap. Let me see you. Bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it. Baby, drop it to the floor. Bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it. Drop it, bitch. Bounce that ass, shake that ass like the twerk team. Hear the whole ass fat. That girl look like Holly Berry with all the beans. When I hit the city, girls yelling and they scream. Hey, Flocka, can you be? Yeah, I'm pepping like a polar. I'm smoking my candy. Smoke like I got cataract. This trip I don't know. The back I rack on top of racks. Watch that pussy ass. I ain't done with you, baby. Bring that ass back. Still got 20, still got 50s. Even got the 100s. Throw some money, I'ma let it go. Waka flame, better know that's where I'm let it go. Niggas make that ass clap. Drop it to the floor, make that ass clap. What I know was, baby, make that ass clap. Drop it to the floor, make that ass clap. Let me see you. She shaking, she shaking, she shaking, she shaking ass, she shaking, she shaking, she shaking ass, she shaking, she shaking, she shaking, she shaking ass, she throwing it, shaking. Who kidding this motherfucker? Yo, who kidding? What we doing? Shout it, know it's fat. Let me see that ass clap. She go down and touch the toe like where the cash at. Waka Flocka flame, I'ma go around that. But lately, if she throw it back, I throw this pole out of life. Bow, 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 bow. Then that ass fat, 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 fat. Take that ass clap, 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 clap. Listen to this track, bitch.
Get away moving, got me on the train. DJ tell me up, ladies get so jay. I'm the superstar, you gon' lose the praise. And I'm about this money, why you do it with no hands?
Hotel with 2 girls, that's why I love it. Take this dick when I swallow, but I'm a Moscato, got no freaky. Hey, you got me in the streets. Please take no trouble. Put the love on the hands, then you got me sweating. Put your fucking hands up. Hey, got me in the streets. Who can turn me on? Ladies, it's your chance. I'm a simple. You know Luna. And I'm a donut money. Why you do it with no hands? Girls, bring it to them. I see you. Hold on. Ooh. She's shaking. Look up. No hands. Get up. I'm a buster. I'm a bad boy. Hey, yo, hit some motherfucker. Bring that one out. Check that hoodie.
What's your name? You not
And that DC shall rap all day. My eyes look all that. Hey, no, about hot. Let me shine. Come on, let me take my time. They want to swim, we can take it outside. Come on, bro, me hold it right. You want to show loud, you want to show. So now bitches to try out. When I'm trying to do out. I got 16 cause I feel thing, but I'm almost done. Let me get back to it. Hold on, out of the little back. 20. You're the way you're doing it. Probably in the DJ, turn me on. Lady, this your day. I'm a silver scholar. You gon' lose the way. And I'm a dirty why you sing that shit. Drop it down. I love the way you. I need you to see the live person. I be going, shouting your break combo. These niggas to be good, girl, but I gon' make it flip. Cause I walk around with pocket dollar bigger than my boss walk.
Rain, go away, that's what all my haters say.
My pocket's stuck on my way down. No need to eat, cause Johnny doesn't get it. And I begin by the day, every day, man, that's like it just after me. It's a ball like a photo. To the head of the game, no cheat code. Lambo, Rasco, no cheat code. Tryna go to love, I ain't no. Go.
All into your name.
And I'm a down and money, why you do it? With no hands! Better way you do it. Ladies, this your day. I'm a simple. Do it with no hands. Girl, drop it to the I love the way you. Watch it well, let's see the promise. Big squad! Hey, before I go, I need everybody to make sure they go see my mother's brand new show called Debbie's Boss. I need everybody downloading my mother's brand new show, Debbie's Boss. Thank God, man. Thank motherfucking God, man. Squad.
Let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about bubbles in the tub. Let's talk about making love. Let's talk about you on top, on me going down. Let's talk a little phone sex, baby. On the hotline. Oh yeah, let's get playing out. Let's go alone. Let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about what's in the cup. Let's talk about making love. Let's talk about you on top, on me going down. Let's talk about phone sex, baby. On the hotline.
Ricky, Ricky, Ricky. Now everybody say pretty Ricky, Ricky, Ricky. If y'all love Pretty Ricky, put your hand up like this. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Blue shoes on the ride. Yes, sir. Pulling down 95. Yes, sir. You see it in my eyes. Yes, sir. I'm looking for a cutie pie. Yes, sir. And we ain't gotta make love. Yes, sir. And we can just cut it up. Yes, sir. But if she want me to beat it up, yes, sir. And damn it, I'll beat it up. Yes, sir. My body, your body, my body, your body, my body, your body, my body. Take me away, take me away. I look at the risk of it, they marry us. She cut a little like what's the material that I keep. Standing for the city, trying to find a lady who don't know what she gotta have. Put it in, who don't let you do what you wanna do. Look a pill on it if you really want to. Get a taste of this for love, baby. Knock it down like a tsunami. Let's see you like a zombie. I'm a head of a class, get it. Let's see the double pass, she girls in their heads on the can. Blue shoes on the ride, pulling down 95. You can see it in my eyes. I'm looking for a cutie pie. If we gotta make love, and we can just cut them up. But if she want me to beat it up, and damn it, I'll beat it up. My body, your body, my body, your body, my body, your body, my body, your body.
Yeah, top down, blue star tag. Old master best, get a bronze in the chain. Spectac with the back, chick in the back, trying to beat it up like an everlast. Watch your back, hotter than the biscuit, biscuit out of the oven. Your baby mama go on mission to get it suddenly. Kissing and hugging, she never pick up phone. You be looking for her, we doing the drama. She complain when she catch best vessels, what she love when she get the back to black orgasms. Yes sir, the game is automatic. Give you to them one time, they come back like that.
Blue shoes on the ride.
Yes sir,
Rolling down 95.
yes sir.
And you can see in my eyes.
Yo, shake
And I'm
it.
looking for a cutie pie.
A little louder.
And we gotta make love.
Yes, sir.
And we can just cut them up.
Yes, sir.
So she want me to beat it up.
Do what we do.
And then I'll beat it up.
Keep it going, my love.
My body, your body, my body, your body, my body, your body, my body. Y'all make some noise for yourself. How many got that Blue Stars album though?
Let's play.
This your boy Pleasure. Yeah.
Spectacular.
They want a couch. Baby, just I want each somebody out night. We can play house. Lay you on the couch. Baby, just I want each somebody out night.
Whoa, I be your Jamaican lover. I'm stroking in your boudoir. I be your Mexican lover. Bringing up your piazza. I be your French lover. Now we leave when you see double O. She never let me leave your body. Run to that wax on wax on. Let me see that kid. Eat that clothes. Pop that cherry. I'm talking of your banana spray. Kiss your neck. Keep you wet. Blue never had over 10 this year. I swear to God, never get some. It's here like turn the lights off. Do the work in. I'm the boss. That's a piece of skirt.
Baby, relax your mind. I hear you breathing deep. I see you gripping the sheets. Your ass is squeezing me. Put your hand on me. 5 minutes you can't sleep. Having wet drinks, fantasizing about me. And I knew that you love it 'cause the way that you was shaking me. Never about teasing to me. Always about pleasing to me. And feel your body at its climax. You feel the buzz. So baby, close your mind and just.
Girl, I wanna play with you. Girl, I wanna play with you. Girl, I wanna play with you. Okay. They know that one. Let's see if they know this one. Say, shorty, will you be mine? Say, will you be mine? Shorty, will you be mine? Say, will you be mine? Say, will you be mine? Shorty, will you be mine? Okay, that's cool too. How many of y'all got the dirty version or the clean version? Which version y'all got? Cause y'all know y'all wasn't supposed to be listening to Pretty Ricky back then. How many of y'all got in trouble for listening to Pretty Ricky? Well, guess what? You're all grown up now. Let's go. Yes. Okay, y'all know that one too, right? I got a special guest I want to bring out to help me sing this next song, man. Y'all show some love for the homie. She home team. She go by the name of JT. Y'all make some noise for JT in this motherfucker right now, man. I need your help, JT.
I'm
You ready?
coming.
Let's go. I can make it juicy, baby.
See the lust in your eye, I know you can't hide it. In your walk, in your vibe, make me wanna try it. Like a light spinning red, I love it when you ride it. You a stallion, baby, you know you got body. You working that thing, you working that thing. I love them G-strings, it's just a G thing. I'm working that thing, I'm working that thing, stroking that thing.
Your boyfriend at home? Not today? Oh, perfect answer. Great. So I just want to know, can you rub all on my body? She said, what's the question? Sorry, you nervous, huh? Oh, you better be. Yeah. Siéntate. Shit. Spanish. Oh, oil, papi. Oh, you ready? Yeah, put that phone down. Don't fall out, girl. Oh. Well, let's get to it then.
I wanna sex you, tell you I'm fast asleep in the bedroom. Listen to the headboard beat in your mind. Listen how the mattress squeak. I wanna sex you. I sleep until I hear you scream. Honey, sneaky and slow. Drip drop like rain, drops of girl, I got some more. Your love's like ice cream,
York, New York. Y'all make some noise. Y'all having a good time or what? Man, it's so beautiful to see y'all. Listen, we are 20 years in, man. 20 years we celebrate the Blue Stars album, man. Thank y'all so much for supporting us. Let's turn this bitch up, come on.
Like, is this your song? From Miami to the Bay. Like, is this your song? I'm calling out all the girls in the club tonight. Yeah. Put your hands in the air. Let's go. Play your card. Beat it. What up, Red? Beat it. Yeah. Let's go. Beat it up. Beat it. Yeah. Say, baby, I really wanna drive you crazy tonight. Hello, mama. Wanna see them phones way up in the sky. Turn around, let me see it from the back. I know you like it when I hit it like that. Up from the bottom to the top. I wanna see that waterfall jump. Girl, I know you gon' tell your friend. That's why I gotta beat it up like this. Front of your mouth like, hey. If I can give it I'm saying what's good. I'll beat it up. Right side, I see y'all, what's good? Yeah. Hey, I'll beat it up. Yeah. In the back, what's happening? I'll beat it up. I see you doing what's right there, baby. What's up? Yo, I got a question. How many ladies out here taking, like you got a boyfriend and all that? Well, guess what? If he not treating you right, boyfriend number 2 is in Brooklyn tonight. And my DMs are open, and my credit score good, and my sex good too. And I pay all the bills, you know what I'm saying? So whatever he do, I do it, baby. My DMs are open at Pressure P. If you're feeling lonely, I would like to go to. Let's go. Turn around, let me lick you from your neck down to your navel. Cause shorty, you look great. Never get the bait. I wanna lay your body right here on the table. So just hold this day. I'll go get the camera, we can make a movie. I'm gonna put my hands up, lay back while you do me. Jump right out the shower, into the jacuzzi. Giving you the body one, boyfriend number 2. Cause the first one he don't really seem like he know what to do. Boyfriend number 2. And I know you like your greedy, so I'm gonna give it to you. Boyfriend number 2. Don't fuss, don't fight, don't argue. Cause second place always got a whole lot to prove. So whenever you get moved, we got a boyfriend number 2. I'ma pick you up and put you on the counter. Cause you feel so I'm not your other man. I'ma take my time and get sun around ya. Oh, if you let me, I don't get the camera, we can make a movie. I'm gonna put my hands up, lay back while you do me. Jump right out the shower, into the jacuzzi. Giving you what your body wants. A boyfriend number 2. Cause the first one he don't really go. Like he know what to do. A boyfriend number 2. And I know you like your freaky, so I'm gonna give it to you. Boyfriend number 2. We don't fuss, don't fight, don't argue. Cause second place always got a whole lot to prove. Ladies, if you know this part, I want you to put a hand in the sky and sing along with me like right now. Ladies, if you got a man and a buddy on the side, say yeah, say yeah. If you be making plans, cause he don't hit it right, say let's go, yeah. I got a couple places I'm sure he don't know about, no familiar faces. You feel free to go. I'm not afraid of doing what he gotta do. Cause what? A boyfriend never do. The first one he don't what? Yeah.
So whenever you get in the mood, just call boyfriend number. Y'all make sure to see yourself. But I tell y'all what, we ain't done yet. I made another song for people who's actually in love and want to get back together, you know what I'm saying? And it goes to something like this. See, if you love somebody, it's okay to be wrong. Just make sure you apologize and take accountability for what you did, alright? You can never tell somebody how you made them feel, alright? So, with that being said and done, if you ever gone through something, I want you to go back and listen to this song right here. And if you really love somebody, reach out to them, send them a text, a voicemail, or something. And I'm gonna try to sing along to you.
You did. Anyway, check this out. Yeah.
I don't wanna lose this relationship, so we gotta stay strong. Don't wanna move on. I know you're sick, tired of fussing and of fighting and of cussing, but I love you and you love me too. I did you wrong, you did me wrong. I take you back, you take me back. I did you wrong, you did me wrong. I'll take it back, I'll take you back. No matter what you do, no matter what you say, no matter how far you go, don't take it out of me, because I love you and girl I want you and girl I need you. So let's just work it out. I ain't trying to waste your time, and I ain't trying to waste my time. There ain't no need to waste no time, cause we done put in too much. I ain't trying to waste your time, I ain't trying to waste my time. Ain't no need to waste no time, cause we done put in too much time. When you're in a relationship, easiest thing for you to do is silently. You gotta stick it out, gotta work it out, gotta stick it out, gotta work it out, gotta stick it out. Cause what? Cause at the end of the day, I did you wrong, you did me wrong. I take you back, you take me back. We want y'all to put y'all lights in the air right now for celebrating 20 years of Blue Stars with us, man. If it wasn't for y'all, we wouldn't be shit. This is the home of 106 & Park, man. Y'all made us who we are today, man. So y'all let's light this motherfucker up. We sold out 20 years later, man. What we doing, man? What we doing? Let's light it up. Now wave it, left, right, wave it. Wave it.
Fly with me.
I want y'all to sing along, y'all ready? Let's go. Let's go.
When I get up, I make them say, oh, take to me for death. I get them in the best of mine. I'm ride like a seesaw. I make them laugh and giggle, cuddle a little. Let them whip grip from the middle. Girlfriend, I never go wrong. Pennies and I pop out. D-L-U-E-S-T-A. I'm freaking weak. I drink Red Force like he's never know. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Peter, I know I'm pretty good. Pretty good change. Pretty good friend. Pretty good. Pretty in the bag.
Time on me, relax your mind, take your time on me. Let me hear people showing pride on me. Now come and text me till your body gets weak. It's your mind, baby, grind on me. Relax your mind, take your time on me. Let me hear people showing pride on me. Now come and text me till your body gets weak. Let's go. It's your mind, baby.
Let me do bag, let me rub this cream on your bag. So close you about to put this thing on your bag. What do you think about? Let's hear the time. You feel the vibe. Somebody in your eyes. Let's think the vibe. Let's feel the time. You feel the vibe.
You're kissing on me, girl, I'm caressing your body. Now I'm licking off the whipped cream, and ooh, you're grinding on me, baby, grind on me. Relax your mind, take your time on me. Let me hear people
a mess.